Hello and welcome. I'm Saeed from StoryPlanet.net. Dive right into the essence of the most captivating books without reading them cover to cover. Whether you're on the go, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we offer you a unique and enriching listening experience. Today, we are exploring the book, The Human Instinct, a creation by Kenneth R. Miller. The Human Instinct, 2018, celebrates humanity's evolution of reason, consciousness, and free will, highlighting our unique and extraordinary abilities that stem from natural origins. Before we delve into these revelations, it's interesting to note that Kenneth R. Miller, a biology professor at Brown University and the well-known author of Only a Theory and Finding Darwin's God, served as an expert witness advocating for evolution in the 2005 Kitzmiller versus Dover trial, akin to the historic Scopes Monkey Trial. With 8 key ideas to unveil, brace yourself for a deep dive into this captivating book. On StoryPlanet.net. To start, brief overview of human evolution. Charles Darwin introduced the concept of natural selection, challenging the idea of humans being special and separate from other organisms. Evolution, as proposed by Darwin, suggests that all living organisms, including humans, have evolved over time. Despite concerns about life having no special meaning under this theory, evolution does not negate humanity's uniqueness and significance, granting us distinct capacities like free will, consciousness, and reason. Key idea number 1. Natural selection is a significant factor in explaining evolution, but it does not account for all aspects of it. Alfred Russell. Wallace predated Darwin in proposing evolution by natural selection. Wallace and Darwin had a supportive relationship. Wallace questioned how survival instincts could explain the human mind as diverse abilities. Evolution eventually led to the rapid growth of the human brain, offering both survival and unique cognitive benefits. Evolutionary biologists Gould and Lewontin coined the term spandrels to describe the accidental yet beneficial outcomes of evolution. These brain spandrels allowed for art, science, and self-reflection. Understanding our natural origins may have dispiriting implications, but shed light on the wonders of human evolution. Key idea number 2. Admitting that we are products of evolution can be disheartening, yet we must acknowledge the compelling evidence supporting this fact. The text discusses the evolution of humans and the evidence supporting the theory. It mentions initial challenges with the fossil record, but how advancements have since provided clearer insights into human evolution. The text highlights the scientific support for evolution and addresses the emotional and philosophical implications of accepting evolutionary theory. Key idea number 3. Humans are not the most evolved species. In the early 1700s, Carolus Linnaeus introduced the binomial classification system in his book Systema Naturae, influencing zoology for centuries. He classified humans with apes and monkeys, facing criticism for it. The March of Progress illustration in 1965 depicts human evolution, but evolution has no hierarchy or ranking. Each species adapts to survive in its environment. Humans are unique as the only species to understand the natural process that led to their existence. Key idea number 4. Caution against relying solely on evolution for all explanations, as it can lead to negative consequences and flawed ideas. Biologist E. O. Wilson introduced the controversial field of sociobiology in 1978 to study the biological roots of behavior in all creatures, including humans. The field faced backlash and was not widely accepted. However, it laid the groundwork for evolutionary psychology. Evolutionary psychology aims to explain behavior through an evolutionary lens, but its ability to link behavior to specific genes is limited. While some papers in the field discuss biological factors influencing behavior like shopping habits or rape, many lack genetic evidence and face scrutiny. Some extreme views in the discipline suggest human behavior is predetermined, challenging concepts of individuality. Evolution, however, does not inherently support this pessimistic outlook. Key idea number 5. The human brain is flawed yet powerful, a product of evolution. Humans are part of evolution through natural selection, losing the confidence of creation myths but gaining a deep understanding of their own origins. Our exceptional cognitive abilities, including reasoning, are a result of evolutionary processes leading to brain development. The enlargement of the brain allowed for increased intelligence, speech, cooperation, and abstract thought. Neurons evolved in a way that went beyond survival to develop linguistic ability, imagination, and reasoning skills. Despite cognitive flaws, humans excel in investigating and understanding their weaknesses, standing out among other animals. Key idea number 6. Evolution does not dismiss the unique personal experiences individuals have in life. French neuroscientist Stanislas Dehaene studies consciousness by flashing images at volunteers. He found that images lasting 50 milliseconds transition from the visual cortex to conscious experience. American philosopher Thomas Nagel believes consciousness to be inherently subjective, beyond the reach of science. Evolutionary science doesn't devalue consciousness, as it explains how complexity emerges from simplicity. Some argue that consciousness and free will are illusions, but such claims lack solid evidence and logical basis. Key idea number 7. The brain is a product of evolution, and free will may be inherently present. Descartes believed in free will, locating it in the pineal gland. Some argue that free will does not exist, attributing actions to neurons firing in response to stimuli influenced by evolution. However, this view leads to paradoxes. Supporters of determinism, like Sam Harris, face challenges in explaining the brain's unpredictability and adaptability, suggesting that free will could still be a part of the brain's capabilities. Key idea number 8. Understanding evolution can provide our lives with significance. Italian physician Giovanni Aldini demonstrated galvanism in 1803 by applying electricity to a cadaver, making it move. This event raised questions about the meaning of life and humanity's unique attributes like awareness, reason, and creativity. Humans hold unprecedented power and face the responsibility of shaping the future by embracing their special qualities and ensuring the continuation of their epic evolution. In conclusion, evolution shaped humanity, providing us with reason, consciousness, and free will, making humans a unique species. Be cautious of assuming evolutionary explanations for every behavior, as genetic links to human actions are still not fully understood. Be mindful of not overstating the influence of evolution in shaping human behaviors. Thank you for listening to this summary. If you enjoyed this exploration, we invite you to discover other fascinating books on storyplanet.net. Don't wait any longer. A multitude of books, stories, and knowledge await you there. See you soon on storyplanet.net.